Hi, this is Mr. Rojas again, helping you out with your white belt song number 14 on page 7. Before we begin, let's go over the 3 notes that are in this song. The first note we're going to go over is B flat, which sounds just like this. Make sure that your B flat sounds just like my B flat. Use a lot of air and focus your air to make sure that that B flat sounds nice and strong. Next note is C. The next note is D. Put all those 3 notes together and you get our song. So here is page number 7, song 14, Go for Excellence on the flute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, 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 rest. And there you have it. Make sure to go back and listen to the video so that way you can make sure that what you're playing sounds just like what I'm playing. And I'll see you guys next time.